Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Universal English Learners.
Today we have a really nice story for you. It's simple but interesting.
Yes, listen carefully. We will speak slowly so you can understand every word.
Let's begin.
The Lighthouse Keeper's Gift. There was an old man named Thomas. He lived alone in a small lighthouse by the sea. Every night, Thomas turned on the light. The light helped ships find their way home. It was a very important job. Thomas had lived at the lighthouse for 40 years. He knew every rock near the shore. He knew every path through the cliffs. The local fishermen trusted him completely. One evening, a terrible storm came. The wind was strong. The waves were big. Dark clouds covered the sky, and rain fell like heavy stones. Thomas looked through his window and saw a small fishing boat. The boat was in danger. It rocked violently in the water, moving closer and closer to the sharp rocks near the shore. Thomas ran to the light. His hands were shaking, but he worked quickly. He made the light brighter. He turned the great lamp faster, so its beams swept across the dark sea again and again. Inside the fishing boat, Daniel and Matteo fought against the storm. Daniel held the wheel tightly. Matteo tried to keep the sail steady. "I can't see anything," Matteo shouted over the wind. "Which way is the shore?" Just then, a bright light appeared in the darkness. It flashed once, twice, 3 times. "There!" Daniel cried. "The lighthouse! Follow the light!" The brothers steered their small boat toward the light. The waves pushed against them, but they did not give up. Slowly, carefully, they moved through the dark water. Finally, after what felt like hours, the boat reached the shore. Daniel and Matteo climbed out, soaked and exhausted, but alive. The next morning, the storm had passed. The sky was calm and blue, as if nothing had happened the night before. Daniel walked up the hill to the lighthouse and knocked on Thomas's door. "Thank you," Daniel said when the old man opened the door. "Your light saved our lives last night. Without it, my brother and I would have hit the rocks." Thomas smiled gently. "That is my job," he said. "I watch the sea every night. I never sleep when there is danger." Daniel looked closely at the old man. His eyes were red from lack of sleep. His hands trembled slightly as he spoke. "You look very tired. Do you have help here?" "No," Thomas answered quietly. "I have always worked alone." Daniel thought for a moment. "You need help," he said. "Let me stay with you. I can learn to watch the light too. My brother can manage our boat without me for a while." Thomas was surprised. No one had ever offered to help him before. "Are you sure? It is hard work. You must stay awake through the night, watching the sea." "I am sure," Daniel said firmly. "You saved my life. Now let me help you." From that day, Daniel visited the lighthouse every evening. Thomas taught him many things: how to clean the great lamp, how to read the weather in the clouds, and how to listen for changes in the wind. At first, Daniel found the work difficult. Staying awake all night was not easy. But slowly he grew stronger. He learned to love the quiet hours by the sea, watching the stars and listening to the waves. Months passed, and Daniel and Thomas became close friends. They shared meals together. They told stories about the sea. Daniel even brought his brother Matteo to visit sometimes, and the 3 of them would sit outside the lighthouse, watching the sunset. One night, many years later, Thomas called Daniel to his side. The old man was very tired now. His hair had turned completely white, and his hands moved slowly. "Daniel," Thomas said softly, I cannot climb the stairs anymore. My legs are too weak. Daniel took his old friend's hand. Don't worry, he said. I will take care of the light. Thomas smiled, a warm and peaceful smile. I always knew you would be a good lighthouse keeper. Remember what I told you, never sleep when there is danger. That was the last night Thomas ever visited the lamp room. He passed away peacefully a few weeks later in his favorite chair by the window, looking out at the sea he had watched for so many years. Daniel became the new lighthouse keeper. Every evening he climbed the stairs and turned on the great light, just as Thomas had taught him. Years later, ships still passed safely along that coast, guided by the same bright light. And whenever a storm came, Daniel remembered his old friend's words, "I never sleep when there is danger." He kept that promise every single night for the rest of his life.
What a beautiful story about courage, kindness, and friendship.
Yes, and it shows us that helping others can create a friendship that lasts a lifetime.
Listen to the story again if you need to. Practice makes perfect.
See you in the next episode. Goodbye, everyone.